Hi guys, I will show you today how to increase your intercooler performance in the 252 horsepower TFSI Audi engine. If you happen to have one, like it's in the A4, A5 and the Q5, I believe. There's a simple trick you can do, because this car shares the intercooler with the Audi S4, and what Audi does, they put the same intercooler in the Audi in the 2.0 TFSI engine, but they put a little plastic thing over here which basically blocks like 25% of your airflow in the car. And I will show you how to remove it. It's pretty simple. So first thing, you have to unplug this, and you do this by putting a little screwdriver or pry tool inside here, taking this latch open and just pull it like this. Now you can just take this basically away. Now we have access to this. Look how the car is dirty over here. It has only 4 years. I will have to clean it one day. And that's the thing we have to remove. I will show you on an image how it looks like, and so you get an idea how to get it off. From here we can pull this up and put it to the front of the car, but it stays attached from the bottom. So what we have to do is take this few screws out, which are located over here. So this gets loose, and now, as you can see, here is the intercooler and the plastic blocking thing. Now I can pull this down, so the plastic can come loose, and I can do this while filming. So I will just now pull this down, and with my second hand I will grab it from here and pull it towards the front of the car like that, and I got it. And that's how it looks like. It just like grabs the intercooler. Yeah, and now you have this increased performance. You see how clean the ribs are over here and dirty here. It's like at least 25% of the airflow. Yeah. So now you can blast more on the highways and your car won't get heat soaked. And also I had the car lifted, but it's not necessary. You can easily get here without lifting it.